Ever wonder how to keep pests away from your garden without resorting to harmful chemicals? Well, the answer is organic pest control. This method is not only safe for our environment, but also beneficial for insects that help our gardens thrive. Plus, it's a healthier option for you and your family. By adopting organic pest control, you're not just growing a garden, you're nurturing an ecosystem. Today, you'll learn how to implement organic pest control in your garden in a few simple steps. First, it's crucial to understand your garden's ecosystem. This means getting to know the plants, the soil, and even the tiny critters that call your garden home. Next, let's identify beneficial insects. Did you know that not all bugs are bad? Some, like ladybugs and spiders, can help control pests naturally. Encourage these helpful critters to stick around. Now, onto organic sprays and traps. You can make your own using household items like vinegar and dish soap, or you can purchase them from a local garden center. These sprays and traps are designed to deter pests without harming your plants or the environment. And finally, maintain a healthy soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. It promotes plant growth and acts as a natural barrier against pests. You can enrich your soil by adding compost or using natural fertilizers. Remember, the key to successful organic pest control is patience and consistency. So, there you have it, organic pest control made easy. Remember, it's as simple as identifying the pests, picking the right organic solutions, and applying them correctly. This not only leads to healthier plants, but also fosters a balanced garden ecosystem. Imagine a garden where plants and beneficial insects live in harmony. Isn't that a sight to behold? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!